This video shows step-by-step instructions on how to program customized settings for your idle reduction system module, such as EcoStar, EcoLock, or idle timer controller. You will need the following: an EcoStar, EcoLock, or idle timer controller module, an InterMotive programming kit, part number A-IPU, which includes the jack to USB cable and a 6-pin connector power cable with adapters if you're programming with the module not installed in the vehicle. You'll also need a laptop or computer and a VCP driver and the TeraTerm program. Step 1 is installing a VCP driver and the TeraTerm program on your computer. To download the VCP driver, go online to www.ftdichip.com. On the left side, select Drivers, then select VCP Drivers. Scroll down to view the operating system options. The most common is Windows. On the right-hand column under Comments, click on Setup Executable. Select Open or Save, then run the file and let it install on your computer. Go through the installation wizard and accept the agreement. Once you see the completion window, you need to confirm there are 2 driver packages installed and they read Ready to Use. Once confirmed, click Finish. To install the TeraTerm program, go to InterMotive's website at intermotive.net, and on the top under Tech Assistance, select Downloads. Scroll down to EcoStar, and at the very bottom, click on where it reads Download TeraTerm here. Open or save the file and let it run. Go through the setup wizard, leave all defaults as is, then click Finish to install it on your computer. Before you use the TeraTerm program, plug the jack cable into the module and plug the other end into your computer. Do not plug in your 6-pin connector power cable just yet. Open the TeraTerm program. You may get an error message, but just disregard. At the top of the screen, click on Setup, then select Serial Port. In the pop-up window under Port, click on the drop-down menu. Select the highest number, for example, COM22. Leave the rest as the default selections, but make sure the baud rate is 57,600. Click OK. Plug in your 6-pin connector power cable or use the included adapters for other sizes. On the screen, you will see some information pop up. An immediate response is required or it times out. Type CON-FIG and press Enter. If it times out, just unplug your power cable and replug it and it should reset. Once you type config, the customizable parameters will display on the screen. Follow these examples to change settings already programmed on a module. To change the idle shutoff timer duration, number 3, type 3 and press Enter. It will ask you to enter a value in seconds. As an example, you can type 45 and press Enter. Press Enter again, and the new settings will be saved to the module. If you look at the module when you press Enter, you will notice a status light will make a quick flash, which confirms the change on the module. To change the brake pedal operation, number 7, type 7 and press Enter. It will give you options to set. For example, select 1 to choose pedal will inhibit the engine off request, then press Enter. Press Enter again, and the new settings will be saved to the module. Once you are done with setting parameters, close the TeraTerm program. Unplug the cable from the module, install the module and kit on your vehicle, and don't forget to test the system to confirm your custom settings are working correctly. If you have any problems or questions, please call InterMotive Tech Support at 1-800-969-6080. Thanks for watching!